Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see the billy goat under the old tree? Alright, you're welcome back. Today's letter sound is the letter sound O. Use your palm to cover your mouth as if something happened, a surprise. O. Alright, so when you see these two letters together, it means what? O. Don't forget, I told us when we treated this letter sound that when you see two vowels going and walking, the first letter, say its name. So you can use that to remember. So when you see letter O and letter A, the letter sound is O. Alright. As in goats. Can you hear the sound? Goat. The O is in the middle. Goat. We have words like boats. Yeah, this is my man-made boats. Boats. Oats. Soap. This is a soap. Okay. Soap. So all these have the letter sound O. So I want you to think of other words as well. Now we're going to blend. I'm going to write our previous letter sounds and we're going to pick one or two to blend. Let's go together. By now you should have known all the 4 levels that we've treated. You should have known this. As I'm writing, say the sound together with me. Let's go. A, T, I. All right. Okay. Don't forget, letter C and letter K makes the same. E, D, G, A, B. Can you tell me the sound? Hey, good job. And today's letter sound O. Alright, so let's blend 1 or 2. Okay? O. T. Just 2 letter sounds. Now put them together for me. Oat. Good job. So I'm making this now. G. O. T. That's simple. Let's go. G. Oat. Goat. Bravo. Well done. All right. Let's make one more. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going with this. O. L. Fall. All right, beautiful. Well done, well done, well done. All right, that is that for today's class. Thank you for being here with me, and please subscribe if you've not yet subscribed to my channel. Give a like and share to your friends. Invite your friends. Let them join you in enjoying what you are enjoying. Let's blend together and let's make our children have fun reading. I love you. And to my babies, thank you. You are the best. Bye.